English tip by tip.
Tip 42. Regular verbs. E.g. walk, laugh, play, talk, study, and so on. Important. Present tense is not conjugated, but change the spelling in the third person singular. He, she, it. Person. I. You. He. She. It. We. You. They. Present tense. I. Walk. You. Walk. He. Walks. She. Walks. It. Walks. We. Walk. You. Walked. They. Walk. Past tense. Walked. Past participle. Have walked. Has walked. Have walked. Present participle. I am walking. You are walking. He, she, it is walking. We, you, they are walking. Important. Regular verbs. Present tense not conjugated. Third person singular plus s. I walk every day and Mary walks each 2 days. Past tense not conjugated. Infinitive plus ed. I walked every day and Mary walked each 2 days. Past tense already happened. Completely finished. Example. I walked every day last year. Finished action in the past. Important to walk. Past participle already happened. Completely finished. Example. I have walked every day last year. Finished action in the past. Important last year. Present participle already happened and continues in the present. Example, he is walking every day since last year. Past tense. Did. Auxiliary for interrogative and negative forms. For all verbs. In interrogative sentences or questions, using the simple past tense, the auxiliary verb is did. Structure. Did plus subject plus main verb in infinitive. Example. Affirmative. He walked every day. Interrogative. Did he walk every day? Negative. He didn't walk every day. Interrogative negative. Didn't he walk every day? Tip 42. Exercise. Change to interrogative. Mary worked at BMS.
Did Mary work at BMS?
John and Anne cooked for the party.
Did John and cook for the party?
I stopped think about this.
Did I stop think about this?
Children played here.
Did children play here?
She didn't rest during all night.
Didn't she rest during all night?
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.